Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am trying the peel off egg white mask. You know that I love trying masks to remove my blackheads, so I was so excited to try it. Here's my face before I begin the mask and what it looks up close with a microscope. Yup, there's a lot of blackheads in my nose. So let's try to improve it, shall we? So for this mask, you'll need an egg white. I used 2 egg whites, bathroom tissue, which I know this year people have been hoarding, and a brush to apply egg whites. So to begin, I first cleanse my face and use my face steamer on my face for 5 minutes. Then I apply the raw egg whites on my skin using a brush, being careful not to put it on my eyebrows and around my eyes. And then I apply the toilet paper on top. I think that you need the paper so that the blackheads can adhere to it. Then the final step is to seal the tissue with another coat of the egg white. Then I leave this mask on for 45 minutes. On the 10-minute mark, the mask was starting to harden and it was quite hard to move my face around. After 45 minutes, the mask has completely hardened and I can now peel it off my face. After peeling it off my face, I just wash my face with lukewarm water and then I just wipe it off with a towel. Immediately, my face felt tighter and it also felt a lot smoother. The tissue, however, didn't show any blackheads, and even up close using my microscope, there was no blackheads on sight. I think that the peel off mask is more gentle than the nose strips. But even if this did not remove my blackheads, I find that it really dried up my blackheads. And again, as I've mentioned, it really made my face feel more tight and toned. And surprisingly, it controlled my oil throughout the day. I actually found a research, I will put the link on the description bar below, that says high protein content in raw egg whites is one of the most essential components, which makes it favorable for hair and skin treatment as protein. It's known for skin tightening and the ability to diminish oil on the skin. And apart from containing high levels of hyaluronic acid and hydroxylate enzyme, egg whites also contain vitamins and minerals, which helps in improving the skin's overall appearance. They also concluded that homemade egg white mask using natural raw egg whites can give a significant improvement in various aspects of the skin. It was found to be useful for skin tightening, hence reducing the pore size. It is also known for effective control of skin oiliness and effective removal of blackheads, thus giving a smoothing effect to the skin after application of the mask. And I think this mask is really worth giving a try. I didn't feel any stinging. My face didn't look red after the mask. So I guess this will be a safe choice even for people with sensitive skin. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it for you. And if you did, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much, dolls, again for watching. I'll see you in my next one.